Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just a YouTuber, the host of this channel. In today's video, we're going to do a review that we haven't done in a long time. The ST100 Corsair headset stand. I got this stand a couple months ago when it was on sale. Its running price when it's not on sale, it's around $59. If you're including tax in the US, it's around $63, I believe. Overall, it's a pretty expensive headset stand compared to most headset stands that you can find on Amazon. But for what it offers, it can put up a fighting price for it. So, with that said, we're going to go over the pros and cons of this headset and my thoughts on whether you should purchase one for yourself or maybe look into another headset.
Meet the all-new ST100 RGB headset stand by Corsair. The ST100 RGB premium headset stand features an aluminum construction and customizable RGB lighting, with an immersive 7.1 surround sound for any headset.
Another nice feature that this headset stand offers is that it has a 3.5 millimeter insert jack for headsets that are able to be converted into a surround sound to any headset through the IQ software that they have for this device, or basically any of their accessories. So you can take any device that isn't usually a headset that has surround sound in it and actually implement surround sound in it. And this gives you the ability, for example, like playing video games such as Siege, to hear footsteps from different directions and basically tell where an enemy is coming from if you're doing a first-person shooter.
The ST100 offers a dual USB 3.1 Gen Type A ports that provide improved charging and faster data speeds for your headset, phone, or other devices.
What's nice about this design with the RGB lights is that they're actually even customizable through the IQ software, and you can even link these up to a pattern that they all sync to.
This sleek design comes together with a rubberized base that offers stability and a powerful showcase for your headset.
And then you also have a good build that's solid. You know, it doesn't feel cheap, which I like. It's an aluminum build with a iodine finish, I believe. So that gives it that black color.
Overall, if you're looking for a headset stand to spice up your setup, this is the stand for you. With a solid build, RGB lighting, and up-to-date tech, this device will find no issue finding a home on your desk.